My beloved children, listen closely, for I speak to your hearts today. A beautiful shift is near, a change that will renew your soul and fill your life with divine purpose. You may have felt the weight of the world pressing upon you, the struggles of life seemingly endless, but I assure you, this season is not permanent. The trials you face are but stepping stones toward a greater blessing I have prepared for you. Do not fear the unknown or the changes unfolding before you. I am the author of your story, and I have written each chapter with love and intention. The shift coming is not one to bring fear, but to bring hope and transformation. It is a doorway to a brighter future, a season of restoration, healing, and abundance. Trust in me, for I am the light that guides you through the darkness, the anchor that holds you steady in the storm. This shift is my way of drawing you closer to me. It is an invitation to deepen your faith and rely not on your own understanding, but on my infinite wisdom. Surrender your worries and burdens, for I am the one who carries them for you. Open your heart to my presence, and you will find peace that surpasses all understanding. Remember, my timing is perfect. Though you may not see the full picture now, know that everything is working together for your good. The delays, the detours, and even the disappointments are part of my divine plan. Each moment has a purpose, even when it feels like chaos. Trust in my promises, for they are true and everlasting. Prepare your heart for this shift by seeking me in prayer, in stillness, and in gratitude. Allow my spirit to lead you, and you will walk boldly into this new season with confidence and joy. I am with you always, guiding your steps and surrounding you with my unfailing love. Hold on, my child, for the dawn is breaking. A new day is coming, filled with blessings you cannot yet imagine. Let go of fear and embrace my promises, for I am doing a new thing in your life. Be still and know that I am God. The beautiful shift is near. Trust in me and watch as my glory unfolds in your life. With eternal love, your Heavenly Father.